am Mike Chat, martial arts instructor and action director, and I'm here with the Desire Company. As a safety precaution, when you're working with a partner and you're holding the pads, number one, make sure that when the person hits the pad, you breathe out at the same time so that way your lungs are not filled with air. Number two, put the pad on your chest or on your arm so this way there's no gap in between the pad and your body. Otherwise, you create this effect where you get hit and then the pad boom, hits the body and your timing will be off because you're gonna react to the impact of the technique on the pad and then off timing when you react to the impact on your body of the pad. So then you wanna make sure that you keep the pad as close as possible in this position, number one for safety, and then two to coordinate with your partner.